My tip choice for this week is the search find window because I've either used it or showed it to someone many times this past week. In the example that I showed my client, I was on a web page. This happens to be a knowledge view for eForms. I was looking for a transfer form, so I pressed the Ctrl key and F on my keyboard. In this case, I needed to only type the first 4 letters of the word, and it found and highlighted the name. You can use this trick with web pages, Microsoft products, and I find it very helpful in PDFs. This example is a PDF found on the UWEC CETL site. If I press Ctrl F, the Find text box appears. I'm interested in seeing the information concerning research. Each time this word appears in the PDF, it is highlighted, and I click Next to see the next reference. Life is too short. Use Ctrl F to find your answers quickly and efficiently. Work smarter.